conversational.
In this video, we will be discussing how to use the powerful natural language processing tool, ChatGPT, to generate human-like text responses. ChatGPT is a variant of the GPT-3 language model developed by OpenAI, and it is designed to generate human-like text responses in a conversational context. To get started, you will need to have an API key for ChatGPT, which you can obtain by signing up for an OpenAI account. Once you have your API key, you can begin using the ChatGPT API to generate text responses. The first step in using ChatGPT is to send a prompt to the API, which is the text that you want the model to respond to. You can use any text as a prompt, as long as it is in English and is less than 1024 characters in length. Once you have sent your prompt, the ChatGPT API will return a response, which will be a human-like text generated by the model. You can then use this response in your own application or chatbot. There are several options that you can use to customize the response generated by ChatGPT. For example, you can specify the temperature of the response, which controls how random and creative the response will be. You can also specify the number of responses that you want the API to generate, and you can control the length of the response. One of the most powerful features of ChatGPT is its ability to continue a conversation. You can use the API to generate a response to a user's input, and then use that response as the prompt for the next generation. This allows you to create a more natural and human-like conversation. In addition to its conversational capabilities, ChatGPT can also be used for a variety of other natural language processing tasks, such as summarizing text, answering questions, and generating text in a specific style or tone. In this video, we have discussed how to use ChatGPT to generate human-like text responses in a conversational context. With its powerful natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT can be used to create more natural and human-like interactions in chatbots, virtual assistants, and other applications. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch our video. Your support means the world to us. Please don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channel for more uplifting and inspiring stories. And we would be truly grateful if you could leave us a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts and feedback.